Good morning!
Morning!
Good morning.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.